Hey guys, welcome to Phone Tech. Huawei has launched new foldable smartphone Mate X. Let's start the specifications. This smartphone comes with a 8.0 inches Full HD Plus AMOLED display, and you will get a fingerprint sensor on the back as well as dual SIM option and dual speakers in this smartphone. It has 2.6 GHz octa-core Huawei KEYone 980 processor, and you will get 8 GB RAM and 512 GB storage in this smartphone. If we talk about the rear camera, it has triple rear camera, 40 megapixel plus 16 megapixel plus 8 megapixel. Next we talk about the front camera. It has 24 megapixel front facing camera. If I talk about the price, its expected price is 1,80,000 in India rupees and 2,300 in US dollar.